Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by gathering and prepping ingredients for tofu soup. Press a 14 Oz block of firm tofu between plates with a 1 lb weight for 15 minutes to remove excess water. Meanwhile, chop 1 medium carrot into 1/4 inch rounds, slice 2 stalks celery thin, and finely dice half an onion. Measure 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tsp sesame oil, and 1 tsp salt. Rinse 2 cloves garlic and mince them, and set out toppings like 1 tablespoon chopped green onion and 1 tsp toasted sesame seeds. Heat a medium pot over medium. Add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, then sauté the diced onion, sliced carrot, and chopped celery for about 4 minutes until translucent and slightly tender. Stir in minced garlic and cook 30 seconds more. Pour in 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 tsp sesame oil. Bring to a gentle simmer and reduce heat, simmering the vegetables for 10 minutes so flavors meld. Cut pressed 14 Oz tofu into 1-inch cubes. Gently add them to the pot, and simmer 5 minutes to warm without breaking. To finish the tofu soup, taste and adjust seasoning. Stir in 1 tsp sesame oil, 1 tsp rice vinegar, and 1/2 tsp freshly ground black pepper. Add 1/2 tsp salt if needed. For texture and color, fold in a handful of spinach or 1 cup baby bok choy for 1 to 2 minutes until wilted. Ladle the hot soup into bowls for 2 to 3 portions. Garnish each with 1 tablespoon chopped green onion and 1 tsp toasted sesame seeds, and offer chili oil or soy sauce on the side for diners to customize.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.